Well, Bill, on the behalf of Cash Homes Minnesota, Jason, Jordan, and myself with National Realty Guild, we want to thank you for working with us, and we'd just like you to share a little bit, just quickly, about your experience in working with us as far as how it was smooth and easy for you as far as getting through this home selling process.
Okay, well, Marty, you know what it was. We wanted to sell the house. We ran across you. You had some great ideas. I listened to you. I thought about it. I had to get back to the next day, and
Sure.
you put a plan together, and I just said, I hope it works, and I think it'll work, and let's go with it. And I put everything in your hands, and it worked out perfect, I think.
Excellent.
You know, it couldn't have been much better, more than we expected.
So you got more money than we thought. We had to do a little bit more work, but then we got a lot more for the effort. And then you got 2 new cars, or 2 new used cars that you get to enjoy.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, no, everything worked out. We did much better with your ideas of throwing some money into it, and making it better, and the payoff was 3 to 1. So I mean,
Perfect.
To spend $1 and make 3, you know, we spent
All day long.
30,000 and made 90, so it's all good.
That's excellent.
Well, we had retired, and I wanted to move up north, and we had the house for a long time there, and it was time to move on, and we hung on to it too long, and we waited, and we kind of decided, and we're going to do it now, and it just came together.
So we were talking at one time about doing a cash offer with Cash Homes Minnesota, and then we chose to pick a hybrid option that allowed us to come in and manage the product for you while you were up north, and then list it as a traditional sale. What was the difference or the defining moment for you to figure out it was great to have those options as opposed to just take the cash and run?
Well, your ideas all seemed to make sense. And, you know, I had a lot of questions, and really, can you make this into a bedroom, and you do all this and that? And I was a little apprehensive. I'd be foolish to say that, you know, but you put it together and made it easy to get started, and we just did it.
Excellent.
Unreal. Well, once we made the decision and decided to commit, it came together so quick that it was pretty much unbelievable. You know, your organizational skills are much better than mine, but it happened, you know, and that was, you just had to wait a few days, and holy cow, things are going, so that it makes you feel good.
Absolutely, absolutely. A little bit about that.
Yeah, that's something that's kind of crazy that, you know, it was always there, it was lingering, it was like a little fester thing, and it was going, and we were paying on the house, and
Right.
the taxes, garbage, and we just didn't really need it, and some things need to be done, and I don't know, you know, Marty, whatever, we met you had the ideas, and it just went together, and we were afar, but we kept in touch, you kept me informed, and Diane, and it worked out better than expected by a long shot.
Excellent. Well, wonderful. Again, on the behalf of Cash Homes Minnesota and National Realty Guild, Bill, I want to thank you so much for entrusting this process. I know it can be nerve-wracking, but I'm glad we were able to deliver on our promise and get your home sale sold for more than you thought, and without all the stress and strain, where you could be up, you know, there playing golf or out fishing, and we were out there working and making you the money. So I appreciate it very much.
Absolutely, Marty. Hey, it was a pleasure. I would recommend you to anybody, for real.
So give us a call at 651-419-1930 or visit us online at cashhomesmn.com.